Hi everybody, and thank you for watching Hitting the Trail with Cletus today. Today we're out here at the Ballard Nature Center. We're going to take a little hike around the wetland loop trail, which is going to take us around the water, across a couple of some pretty cool bridges, and of course we're going to see how the dogs like it today. The wetland loop is kind of a chat path trail system, and so it's very easy walking. You can run it, you can hike it, and of course you can just enjoy it while you're out here. The dogs sure do. It's about 28 degrees out today, a little bit windy. That's why I'm a little bundled up, but it feels great just being out here walking around. Take a walk along the beautiful bridge. Right here. And then we'll be right back on the trail. Leo's Perch, and this is a awesome little lookout point. Gets you a little bit off the ground here, and you can take a look at some awesome scenes to be seen right out here at the Ballard Nature Center in Altamont, Illinois. And one thing I've found when hiking in the cold, it's great to have one of these neck gaiters. You can, of course, keep your neck warm. You can pull them over, wear them like a hood, like a face mask, a bandana. There's so many different things you can do with neck gaiters. And right now, I'm feeling pretty toasty. And some more water out here along the wetlands trail. It is just an awesome trail for exercise, for nature views, for dog walks. It is just a wonderful trail system, and I like coming out here, of course, bring the dogs out and family, get a little exercise. Finding a good place to hike during deer season can be kind of challenging. Number one, you don't want to disturb the hunters, and secondly, you don't want to get hurt and possibly by a hunter. So if you ever are going to hike where deer hunting is permitted, always make sure that you wear bright clothing. Where I'm at today is a nature preserve, so there is no hunting allowed out here, so I'm completely safe, and that's the way I'd rather do it. Beautiful day to be out on the nature trails today. Like I said, a little chilly, but when you're bundled up like this, it feels like it's 50. So if you haven't already, get out and enjoy some nature, whether you're doing a hike or a bike or just a walk through town. Get yourself a neck gaiter you can pull up over your mouth and nose, keep you from breathing in some ultra cold air, and bundle up well, and you'll be glad you did. Thanks for watching Hitting the Trail with Cletus today, and I hope to see you again. For more great videos, click right down here. And of course, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel right up here. Have a great day, guys.